You need to be quick with this one. Here we have an ultimate defender. D350, very rare anywhere. X-Dynamic HSE in Santorini black with cloud interior, with an electric Towbar with air suspension. So it's the best defender you could possibly buy. It's done just over 2,000 miles. But then, just purchased off a gentleman, he's spent thousands on this car. The full front end has been individually bespoked and customised. So you've got, press this button, you've got extra lighting with yellow, you've got full wide arches, then you've got canards and a full new front bumper, bonnet vents, black exterior pack, pod lights, even the wheels have been upgraded, mud flaps, side steps, and wait till I show you inside, even illuminated features here on the side vents. Thousands of pounds. It's got cloud interior as well, which I just think makes the car. Ladders, side box around the side, it's got gold calipers there. Individually inside, I think 86 bolts have been changed from the standard to a gold, which I'll show you. So that can be, there's a little remote for this, you can turn it on and off for all the different lights. And you've got this incredible illuminated grille at the front, the pod lights, and then even your fog lights in here. But just look at that, it looks incredible. Then you've got your wide arches, 22-inch wheels, which are a real up-to-date wheel, more of a flat finish. They're becoming so popular now. I've spoke about the mud flaps, got the side storage box as well. And then if we move to the rear, look at this, rear spoiler, tinted lights, spare wheel. The full spare is a 22-inch to match the 4. Gold tone eye covers, and then if I open up here, even more. You've got extra light in here, then you've got your electric deployable Towbar and air suspension. It's even had upgraded rubber carpet mats, and even the mats inside have been upgraded as well. And here you can see is the start of the hand individual bolts, which you can see. So all them, all the way through the car, have been customised. So even though the car just looks incredible from the outside with all the expense, also remember about the car, it's a D350, it's a 350 brake horsepower diesel, it's an X-Dynamic and it's a HSE. So the spec is huge. It's got cloud inside again, which is such a beautiful interior. And then you can see the bolts on all the doors, sliding sunroof, heated seats, cooled seats, larger screen, heated steering wheel. It's even got an upgraded steering wheel, which was nearly £2,000 with paddle shifts, which I'll show you. And then into the front, you've got your Meridian surround, the bolts, and then look at this steering wheel. How nice is that? Flat bottom performance steering wheel with the paddle shifts, 2,335 miles, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. And then you've got the, with it being a facelift, you've got the new interior, the wireless charging, the sections here with the cup holders, which is all changed. Larger screen, which has got your full surround camera system and towing assist. Alexa, multimedia, tilt and sliding sunroof. And then there's something I do want to show you. If we go into seats, we've got cooled and we've got heated. Now it's got ambient light and you can see it's illuminated in blue, but if I go into here, into the car, and turn it into dynamic mode, there you go. So all, look at the underneath, all illuminated in red, so the whole car changes. You've got it into performance, and you've got them incredible performance paddle shifts as well. All Land Rover warranty till the end of 2027. Fantastic engine, incredible vehicle, just something that we've never had before. We've sold some bespoke Defenders, but I've never had anything like this. Look at this, I'll just show you this. Even the bolts here, look. So much money has been spent on the car. It's going to go live on all our platforms. If you want to get it reserved, the number's on the screen, give me a call.